Ready once again. Away they go. Terrible Marvin, Gold Quest rising up Shanana. Some like it hot. And on the further outside is Perfectionist, Gold Quest, Shanana, Terrible Marvin. Some like it hot. Alongside is Perfectionist. Moving up by Deralis Nara. Number 6, Security Rose. Entry number 4, Maryland Dream and Bloomingdale. It's the Gold Quest followed by Shanana, Nara, Perfectionist running in fourth alongside is Terrible Marvin. Some like it hot alongside is Bloomingdale. And running down on the inside, Security Rose, Maryland Dream and Dugus Paramore. Nara, the favorites, now the leader. Shanana is on the outside, Perfectionist, Terrible Marvin. Gold Quest dropping back in fifth position, Security Rose as they race the final corner. Nara, number 2 by a length and a half. Shanana, it's still Nara by some 2 lengths now. Shanana, Terrible Marvin, Perfectionist, Security Rose, and Gold Quest down on the inside. And nearing the finish line, the Icebreaker, number 2, Nara. And finally, number 2, Nara, Perfectionist, Shanana, Terrible Marvin, and for your Pentafecta, number 6, Security Rose.
Mukhang